Welcome to Creata Classes. How are you all? First of all, Happy New Year 2021 to all of you. Okay students, so beginning with our lecture. This lecture is the first lecture under the quadrilateral series. Okay, we are starting a series of lectures on the topic quadrilateral. Okay, this is the first lecture under this series. Around 15 to 20 videos will be covered in this lecture series. Okay, and all these videos will be based on quadrilaterals. Okay, in this lecture, that is the present lecture, we will cover the introduction to the quadrilateral as well as the various types of the basic quadrilateral. Okay, then we will cover in the next lecture the various elements and the properties of the parallelogram. Then we will cover the various types of parallelogram, and after that we will cover the complete summary of the quadrilateral, so that all the doubts can be taken care related to the quadrilaterals. Okay, then we will have a special question round for you. Okay, it will be a quick question round so that you can understand the basic fundamentals. Okay, after that we will take down the various theorems based on the quadrilaterals. Okay, around 9 to 10 theorems will be covered. Okay, then after that we will take down the questions related to the quadrilaterals. Okay, all this will be part of the quadrilateral series. I have formed a playlist by the name of quadrilateral. You can find the same on my YouTube page, that is Creata Classes. Okay, all these lectures will be part of the playlist. Every week on Thursday, that is our standard video uploading day, we will upload a video under this quadrilateral series. Okay, and all these lectures will be based on animation and the visual tools. And with the help of animation, I will try to make the concept very easy so that you can understand it better. Okay, so let's start with the first topic of this lecture series, that is the introduction to the quadrilaterals and the types of basic quadrilateral. Okay, small introduction will be given and the main series will start from the second lecture. Okay, let's begin with the lecture. Quadrilaterals, we have seen the polygon with 4 sides and 4 vertex. Okay, based on the nature of the side or angle of a quadrilateral, they have been allotted special names, that are trapezium, kite, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square. Okay, we will take this one by one and will explain the same in very detail. Okay, rhombus, rectangle and squares are the special type of quadrilateral that we will cover separately in very detail in our third video. Okay, in this lecture we will limit ourselves to trapezium, kites and parallelograms only. Okay, moving further, let's begin with the trapezium. Trapezium is a type of quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Okay, any one of the pair of opposite sides are parallel. These are the example of trapezium. These pair of opposite sides are parallel in this quadrilateral. The arrow mark indicate the parallel line. Okay, and these are not trapezium as they are not having parallel opposite side. Okay, got the point? Trapezium, the quadrilateral with any pair of opposite side as parallel. Okay, next is kite. Kite is a type of quadrilateral which is having pair of adjacent side of the same length. These are the example of kites. The pair of adjacent sides are equal. Okay, got the point? Next is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral. As the name suggests, it has something to do with the parallel lines. So in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay. In trapezium, we have seen any one pair of opposite sides are parallel. And in parallelogram, both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, this is the difference. These are the example of parallelogram. See, all have opposite sides as parallel. Okay. Okay students, that's it for this lecture. This was just the introductory lecture, so we have just limited ourselves to the basics of the quadrilaterals only. Okay, from the next lecture onwards, we will begin with parallelogram, its property with the proofs. Okay, that will be a detailed lecture. So meet you next week in the next lecture. Okay, thank you very much for being with Creata Classes. Bye for now.